Hi class, we're going to go over lesson 2 and chapter 3 of my math. This is the lesson that is regroup ones as tens. So we're going to find the answer to 27 plus 5. It's on page 172 of my math. You can go online to your online book if you want to look at the ebook to see the steps and more equations you can work at home. So step 1, we're going to use the 10 frame with the bars that represent 10 and 1 to show 27 and 5. So you can make your own 10 frame when you're working problems. And I like to add this part as well, just to help you remember what you're trying to represent. 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 27. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for representing the number 5 in the ones place. Okay? There's my problem. Now I am going to ask myself, are there 10 or more ones? Regroup 10 ones as 1 10 if I have more. So that's a yes or no. Do I have? Over here, 5 and 5 is 10, 11, 12. I do. I have 12 here. So I do need to regroup. I'm going to take 5, 10, and move it over to the tens place, leaving me with 1, 2 in the ones place. Okay? And then bringing down this, I have 3 tens and 2 ones. That is 32. 3 tens, 2 ones. I added that up, brought my numbers down, and my answer to this question, 27 plus 5 equals 32. Same up here, 32. Okay, that's how they want you to do that. So when you're answering the questions, you do step 1. You rewrite the numbers in the 10 frame. I'm not the 10 frame, the 10s and 1s on this placemat that you create. And then you ask yourself how many 10s and how many 1s in total. You write that down. If you have more than 1-digit number in the tens place, okay, you want to say that you need to regroup, and you regroup by taking 10 out and putting it in the tens place. You're going to take the 10 ones and make them into 1 10. Answer the question, did you need to regroup or not? Yes or no. Then write the sum down. The sum will be the total answer of these two add-ins. These two add-ins added together equals the sum. Thank you.